Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Fortnite error code LS0013. Basically how you can fix that. It's really easy, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to shut down Epic Games Launcher completely. So here on the bottom right corner, as you can see here, there is a Epic Games Launcher here. So exit the thing, and then you need to, on search, just write run, and on run bar here you just need to write %sign local ape data and %sign. Press OK, and then find Epic Games Launcher here, and then press on saved and delete this folder here, right? And after you delete that, then go to Epic Games Launcher and run this as a administrator. Press OK. We need to wait until the page loads up here. And as you can see here, it's preparing to Epic Games, the Epic Games Launcher. And if we go to library, and if we press on Fortnite, as you can see here, it's working perfectly fine. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.